Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then hi, my name is Shiny and finally welcome to the video which was the most requested on my channel, which is self-portrait ideas. So if you are new here on my channel, I have made so many self-portrait idea videos. Also I have made so many editing tutorials as well. If you haven't checked them out already, please go check them out after you're done watching this video. I am sure you won't regret. Okay, so before starting this video, I want to answer some questions which I get all the time, which is which phone do I use to click my pictures and all. So I basically use my phone, which is Redmi Note 8 Pro. I use the front camera and I don't use any other apps. I just use the normal camera of my phone. I also shoot my videos with my phone's front camera too. But since I have got a camera which is Canon G7X Mark II, I recently started shooting with my camera too. Like not all the time, but I do use my camera to shoot. Sometimes it depends on my mood. But pictures के लिए I always use my phone. But for this video I have clicked the pictures with my camera, which was the very first time I have used my camera to click self portraits. इससे पहले I have never used my camera to click self portraits. I don't know why, because I feel like phones are really handy, really easy to click, and camera से pictures and videos phone पे transfer करना is such a task. I have been planning to make this video since like forever, but I was not getting the time to make it. जब मुझे मिलता भी था time, I felt so lazy because इतनी गर्मी थी. अभी भी है गर्मी, but yeah, I was like, you know what, just forget about the गर्मी. Let's just focus on the work because you guys are requesting this video from like forever. Anyway, तो मैंने अभी बहुत बकबक कर ली. Let's start with today's video. But before that, if you are new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell notification so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. Please go follow me there to get more of me. And yeah, now let's get started with today's video. Okay, so for this picture idea, this is my inspiration picture that I saw on Pinterest, and this is the inspiration picture only. I'm not going to recreate this. I'm just going to create it in my own way. This is basically going to be the theme of this photo shoot. So let's make the jewelry, the choker for this photo shoot. Okay, so what I am doing is I'm going to treat the glitters on this polythene bag, and then I will stick the glitters on this tape on the sticky side, obviously. So it's done, almost done, and I'm wearing gloves just because I don't want to get my hands messy because abhi mujhe makeup bhi karni hai. So yeah, this is the final result. I'm gonna wear it as a choker on my neck. So as my backdrop, I'm going to use this beige colored kapda, and I'm gonna click my picture with my camera for the first time because I haven't clicked any self portraits with my camera. This would be my first time. Also, I am going to stuck this polythene with the help of a sellotape. So I'm gonna put it like this. It will create a nice effect, blurry kind of effect. Also light के लिए मैं ये ring light use करूँगी because this has this warm light settings. This is the light I'm gonna use. This is the warm one. Now I'm going to wash my hair because this photo shoot has this wet hair look that I'm going to try. I don't know how this is going to turn out, but yeah, let's try. And also I will do my makeup. There's so many things to do. Okay, let's start. Okay, I am ready with the makeup. This is how it turned out. I applied so much highlighter, and I did a very like simple makeup look, and also I put some hair cream to like, you know, stuff this on my face like this. Also I am wearing this petticoat as a dress. I just attached double-sided tape right here underneath this petticoat to like, you know, make this kind of frizz. I did jugaad in literally everything. So I just turned on the light, like the ring light, and this is how this frame and the lighting is going to look like for this photo shoot. I'm super excited, but I'm super nervous because I don't know what is going to happen. I'm not sure about this look. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but let's hope for the best. Yeah, let's see. Let's click the pictures. for this picture I have stuck this pearls on one side of my face and also neck and shoulder and also on my hands. ये मैंने सिर्फ इसी साइड पे की है and I have used 2 size pearls. ये अटैच करने में मुझे बहुत टाइम लगा. Also I have used this Miss Claire का eyelash glue to stuck this pearls on my face and ये बहुत ही अच्छी glue है. So this would be the perfect glue to stuck this kind of things on your face when you're clicking pictures. And for this picture idea, this is my inspiration picture. This is going to be the theme of this photo shoot. Okay, so this is my setup. This is how the backdrop is going to look like. Here I have attached this fake leaves एंड यहाँ पे मैंने ये कैनपी यूज़ की है जिसको मैंने इस तरह से अटैच कर ली है. एंड हियर इज़ माई कैमरा. ऑल्सो आई हैव दिस नेट लाइक इंडिविजुअल नेट एंड ये कैनपी को मैं ऐसे पकड़ूंगी so that it will create a nice effect to the frame. I know it seems a bit confusing, but when you will see the pictures you will understand whatever I am saying. I can't record the screen because obviously I'm filming with my camera. I mean clicking the pictures with my camera, and this is the perfect time because अभी यहाँ पे बिल्कुल perfectly धूप आ रही है aesthetic वाली. So yeah, let's click the pictures. So I am done clicking the pictures. I have also shot a reel. I don't know about the pictures because मैंने एक भी picture नहीं देखी है. But let's hope कि pictures अच्छे आए हो and yeah. Go and remove these pearls and also remove my makeup. I don't want to remove these pearls because this looks so cute. Like, I don't know why. That was so satisfying, like removing the pearls. So now let's remove the makeup too. Time for skincare. I don't know if you can notice this, but I have got tanned, blemishes, acne from my last vacation. ऊपर से this shoots and also I needed some extra pampering skincare session. And what would be the easiest yet effective way to provide your skin that immediate boost of glow, vitamins and hydration? The answer is sheet masks. These sheet masks are from Mama Earth. It's their bamboo sheet masks and the one I will be using today is this Upton variant. So the first thing you need to do is wash your face with a face wash, which I have already done. So yeah, now let's apply this. It has turmeric which helps to reduce blemishes and clear patchy skin. Saffron reduces pigmentations and dark spots, makes your skin even toned. Green tea evens out discoloration, calms irritation, soothes redness and swelling. Kiwi revives firm, tired skin with its high vitamin C and E content. After keeping it for like 15 minutes, remove the mask and gently massage the serum onto your skin until it gets fully absorbed. It gives your skin that instant intense hydration, makes your skin super glowy and even toned. These sheet masks are not just good for your skin but also for environment. These are India's first bamboo based sheet mask. Comes in so many other variants. Vitamin C sheet mask for skin illumination, cocoa for skin awakening, rice water for deep hydration, retinol for fine lines and wrinkles, niacinamide for clear and glowing skin, and lastly hyaluronic for soft and plumpy skin. These are dermatologically tested and suitable for all the skin types. A fun way to relax and pamper your skin at home. All the Mamaearth products are free from harmful chemicals and made of all natural ingredients. Mamaearth is a plastic positive Indian brand. Every time you buy from them, they will link your order on their website to a treat that they planned, and they will send you the exact geolocation, the picture and the species of the plant. Use my code PAUL2022 to get a 20% discount at their website mamaearth.in. Mamaearth products are available at Mamaearth, Amazon, Nykaa and Purple. They also have launched their official app. Users get early access to sales and will get extra discounts. All the buying links are given in my description box, so don't forget to check them out. So now let me show you how I have edited these pictures, because no matter what, you guys always ask for editing tutorials, but some pictures के लिए editing tutorials individually post करना is not possible. I basically use Lightroom and PicsArt and sometimes I use B612 tool to edit my pictures. And इस वीडियो में मैं पूरी details पे नहीं जाऊँगी, like the entire process. I will include the screenshots, like the settings and all, क्या मैंने changes की है, the light settings, the color tones and all. Because मैं पूरी details पे editing tutorials post करती हूँ, तो it gets very long and also it gets gets boring. So I will include the screenshots only, and if you are a beginner and if you don't know anything about editing, you can watch my previous Lightroom editing tutorials or basically editing tutorials which I have posted long time back. वहाँ पे मैंने पूरी डिटेल्स पे एक्सप्लेन की है, लाइक कौन सी फीचर्स कैसे काम करती है, एवरीथिंग इन डिटेल्स. So I will link it in my description box as well as on the I button. So yeah, that's why I will include all the screenshots of all the editing I did to edit the pictures. You can screen record that or you can take screenshots of the screenshots. So yeah, let's begin. So this is the first photo shoots before and after. So first you need to import all the pictures on Lightroom, and these are the following steps you need to follow one by one. I have written all the steps right here and also the settings I did for the pictures. You just need to follow these steps one by one and adjust the settings according to your picture's need. And when you are satisfied with the editing, copy and paste the whole settings to your other pictures and voila. Now it's time to edit the second photo shoot's pictures, and this is how I have edited these pictures, so follow the steps. That's it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If so, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow me on my Instagram, this is my Instagram handle, comment down below and share this video, and please do watch my other editing tutorials and picture ideas, self-portrait ideas videos too. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.